In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your QuickBooks inventory prices. Whether you're running a small business or managing inventory for a larger company, keeping your prices up to date is essential for smooth operations and accurate financial records. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. To start with, you're going to want to sign into your QuickBooks account. You can do this on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on the login page, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. It's important to choose the correct version of QuickBooks, as this ensures you're using the features specific to your services. Next, you'll need to type in your login credentials. Enter your username and password, then click on the Continue button. This takes you directly to your QuickBooks homepage. Now, look for the New button on your homepage. Usually it's prominently displayed to make it easy for users to initiate various tasks, including adjustments to your inventory. Once you've clicked New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, head over to the Other section. Here you'll find an option labelled Inventory Quantity Adjustment. Clicking on this opens up the adjustment form where you can make the necessary changes to your inventory. Now it's time to add the product for which you need to adjust the inventory quantity. This is crucial, as specifying the right product ensures that the adjustments are made accurately and nothing gets overlooked. Look for the product in your inventory list and select it. After selecting your product, you'll see fields where you can type in the quantity adjustment. Carefully enter the new quantity, adjusting up or down depending on your current inventory levels. Double check your entry to avoid any errors. Precise numbers here mean gut checking against your physical inventory counts to confirm that QuickBooks matches what's actually on your shelf. Once you're confident that everything is entered correctly, it's time to wrap things up by clicking the Save and Close button. This step is important because it ensures that all your changes are stored in QuickBooks. There's nothing worse than making all the necessary adjustments only to forget to save them, so double check that you've hit Save, which confirms that your inventory records are up to date. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure that your QuickBooks inventory prices are accurate and up to date. Keeping on top of your inventory prices not only helps you maintain business consistency, but also provides precise records for financial analysis and decision making. Thanks for tuning in, and keep checking back for more QuickBooks tips to enhance your business operations.